Good morning. Today you're going to learn how to do the tasks in your online classroom. So the first thing to do is go to your online classroom. Click on CLB Afternoon English class. Then scroll down and click on Teacher Messages. Scroll down and find the date for today, which is Tuesday, April 27th. Open that. Okay, now scroll down. First watch this video. This is the video that I'm recording right now to see how to do the 3 tasks for today. And then open the first one. In task 1, you're going to learn and review some housing problems. So the first activity is a drag and drop activity. It's a matching activity. So you have to look at the picture and then look at the words on the right, drag the words, and place them on top of the picture like that. All right. And then when you're finished, you click check here. Then there's another activity. So you have to look at the pictures here. So for example, in the basement, so you look at the basement and you have to type down what's wrong. So there's what in the basement. Look at the picture. You can choose from the words here. So for example, the first one is there's no electricity in the basement. You will type it down. All right. Again, when you're finished, you click on check and then you go back. The second activity, when you open it, you have to click enter. And then, so on the first page, you see 3 discussion questions. Please read the questions carefully, think about their answers, and then we will discuss this later in our Zoom class. To go to the next activities, because there are a couple of activities here. You can click here, or you can go scroll down and then click on this right arrow at the bottom. So I'm going to go and click on the first exercise. There's a reading. You have to find your answers here. So there's a drop-down menu here that you have to choose the answer. And then when you're finished, you go to the next exercise. And then exercise 3. This is again, there's a drop-down menu under each picture. So you have to find the right word for each picture. Then exercise 4. Exercise 4 is you just have to look here and then type down what this word is. Exercise 5. Exercise 5 is you have to put these words in order to make the sentence or the question. So because this is a question, I think it starts with can. So you click on can, and then you have to go and click on the rest of the words to make it the question. Exercise 6 is the same, and 7 is the same. So there are 7 exercises. When you're finished with all of them, you go back. And you open task 3. So in task 3, first there's a video. So there's a woman in an apartment who has some housing problems, and she's going to talk to the manager of the building about that. After you've watched the video, there are 10 questions about the video that you're going to answer. You're going to answer the 10 questions in the forum. So you will click here to write your answers in the forum. The title of your answers could be, for example, Jessica's answers. So you scroll down, click on add a new discussion topic. If you like, okay, let me just click here. So you write, for example, Jessica's answers. To make it easier, you could just copy all the questions. So there are 10 questions. You can copy the questions, copy, and then you can paste the questions here, and then you can just type your answers. So that makes it easier. You don't have to go up and down a lot. And then you post it for it. Okay, so that's all the activities that you need to do for today. Happy studying and have a great day.